Hey, welcome back to the Infinite Journey. I've got a question for you today. Are you ready to set and achieve goals that will change your life? Whether it's a personal milestone, a career breakthrough, or a dream that seems too big to even think about, we're diving into the art of setting and achieving big goals today. Now, let's be honest. Setting goals is easy. Everyone does it, right? You write down a few things you want to accomplish, but how many times have you hit a roadblock, lost momentum, or even given up halfway through? It happens more often than not, but today I'm going to show you how to change all that. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to setting powerful, meaningful goals, and more importantly, how to make sure you actually achieve them. Because listen, success isn't just about dreaming big. It's about making those dreams real, one step at a time. So if you're ready to take control of your future, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who's ready to level up, and don't forget to subscribe to the Infinite Journey for more tips on living your best life. Now, let's begin. First, understand the power of big goals before we dive into how to set and achieve big goals. We need to understand why they matter. Big goals are powerful. They give you direction, motivation, and a clear purpose. When you set a big goal, it's like planting a flag on the top of a mountain. You know exactly where you're heading. But here's the key. Big goals aren't just about the destination. They're about the growth and transformation you go through on the way there. They push you out of your comfort zone and help you become a person who can achieve more than you ever thought possible. Think about the last time you achieved something significant. What did it feel like? That sense of pride, fulfillment, and accomplishment. It doesn't come from playing it safe. It comes from chasing something that challenges you. So, the first thing I want you to do is think about your big goal. Something that excites you. Something that scares you just a little bit. Something that feels like it could change everything. Second, break down your big goal into smaller milestones now. Here's the big secret. Big goals are great, but they're also a little overwhelming if you don't break them down. The idea of climbing a mountain is exciting, but it can also feel impossible if you don't have a clear path to the summit. Here's what I recommend. Break your big goal down into smaller, more manageable milestones. Think of it like building a bridge. Each milestone is like another piece of the bridge that gets you closer to your destination. For example, if your big goal is to write a book, your milestones might look something like this. Brainstorm book ideas. Outline chapters. Write 1,000 words a day. Finish first draft edit and revise. Publish the book. These smaller milestones help keep you on track and prevent you from getting overwhelmed. Third, set SMART goals. Now that we've broken down your big goal into smaller milestones, it's time to get really specific. The best way to do this is by using the SMART goal method. If you haven't heard of SMART goals, don't worry. It's a simple but powerful framework. Let's go through each one quickly. Specific. Your goal should be clear and detailed. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by working out 4 times a week and eating healthier. Measurable. You need a way to track your progress. In the example above, losing 10 pounds is measurable. You'll know when you've reached your goal. Achievable. Your goal needs to be realistic. If you've never run a mile before, aiming to run a marathon next month might not be achievable. Start with something that's challenging, but possible. Relevant. Make sure your goal aligns with your values and long-term objectives. If your goal doesn't excite you or connect with what you really want, it will be hard to stay motivated. Time bound. Set a deadline for your goal. Having a target date creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. Fourth, develop a daily routine that supports your goals. All right, now that your goal is clear and broken down into manageable chunks, it's time to create a daily routine that supports it. Remember, achieving big goals isn't about working hard for a week and then slacking off. It's about consistent effort. Over time, your routine should focus on small actions that move you closer to your milestones every day. Whether it's setting aside time each morning to write, exercise, or work on a project, consistency is the key. One of the best ways to ensure consistency is to build habits that align with your goals. For example, If your goal is to get fit, start by scheduling your workouts at the same time every day. Create a habit out of it. Fifth, stay motivated and overcome challenges. Here's the thing about big goals. The road to success is rarely a straight line. There will be setbacks. There will be days when you feel like quitting, and that's okay. It's all part of the process. So how do you stay motivated when things get tough? First, remind yourself of the why behind your goal. Why is this goal important to you? What will achieving it mean for your life? Next, focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate every small win along the way and use setbacks as learning opportunities, not roadblocks. Remember, it's not about never failing. It's about picking yourself back up when you do. And when you keep pushing forward, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. 6. Stay accountable and track your progress. One of the best ways to stay on track is to have someone or something hold you accountable, whether it's a friend, a mentor, or even an app that tracks your progress. Accountability helps keep you focused and motivated. I recommend checking in with your goals regularly. Review your progress weekly or monthly. Are you on track? What adjustments do you need to make? Seventh, enjoy the journey finally. Remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Big goals can take time to achieve, and it's easy to get caught up in the end result. But don't forget to enjoy the process. Every step you take, every challenge you overcome, and every lesson you learn is a part of your growth. So, are you ready to set and achieve those big goals? I know you are. Let's make it. If you're ready to take action, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs a little motivation, and don't forget to subscribe to The Infinite Journey. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next one.